Let's shift focus to another round of breaking update that we're picking up this morning, and this is with regards to the agency action on influencers. Now, ED has attached Elvish Yadav's properties and properties of Elvish and Fazilpuria that has now been attached with the NIA arrests that have also been taking place, and charge sheet against Bobby Kataria. The charge sheet that has taken place in the human trafficking case. This has been the development that is now taking place so far as YouTubers are also concerned. We have Bhavtosh with us. Bhavtosh, the ED already registered the case in May and pressed charges against PMLA, taking cognizance of an FIR that was registered against Elvish Yadav. What are we hearing now?
Amita, it's a big action against Elvish Yadav and also against YouTube singer Rahul Yadav, alias Fazilpuria. ED had in fact taken cognizance of two FIRs. The first one, which was registered by the Noida police, this pertains to an NDPS Act case. And the second one was the one that was registered by Haryana police. Now, ED in fact investigated the case, taking cognizance of these two FIRs, and yesterday they attached assets of both Rahul Yadav as well as that of Elvish Yadav. Now, ED's investigation revealed that they had in fact solicited in drugs. In fact, they were in fact involved in both using consumption, in fact soliciting drugs, and also they had in fact involved in the procuring of drugs. So both Elvish Yadav and Rahul Yadav had denied this charge, but the fact is that Noida police had filed a charge sheet against them. Elvish Yadav was also arrested. Now, ED statement in fact revealed that they had used animals that were banned, and they had used them during the making of the video. Now, this is a very serious charge that has been leveled by the ED. ED has attached assets worth at least 52 lakh rupees, including immovable asset tax properties and also bank accounts. Now, ED had questioned Elvish Yadav twice in Lucknow office, though he denied the charges, but ED had gone ahead and provisionally attached assets of Elvish Yadav as well as that of Rahul Yadav.
So two different FIRs that you're saying that were initially registered on part of Noida police and on Haryana police, and that is the reason that we are looking at as far as their assets are concerned, which have now been attached under the provisions of the PMLA, and this is coming at a time when it comes to their properties that has now been seized. The ED, which earlier recorded two persons and questioned them at length. However, when it comes to Elvish Yadav and other associates that we are looking at, when the comes to the use of exotic species and endangered animals, Bhavtosh, that is the reason that is being cited to boost their content on social media. Such species were being used.
Yes, this is a very serious charge that ED had leveled. In the statement that was issued by ED yesterday, they had said that Rahul Yadav as well as Elvish Yadav illegally used protected species such as snakes and exotic animals, and in the production of commercial music videos, blogs for the purpose of increasing the followers and generating money. They have said that a further investigation showed that music videos were given to Sky Digital India Private Limited, and then the videos were uploaded on YouTube platform to generate revenue. Now, this is a very serious charge that ED had leveled against Elvish Yadav as well as against Rahul Yadav. This is also a warning to all social media influencers who had in fact been using the platform to generate revenue as well as to increase their viewership by using banned animals and also using props to increase their viewership. Now, ED had registered two cases, both against Rahul Yadav as well as against Elvish Yadav. They were questioned twice in Lucknow, following which these provisional attachment has been done.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you very much for getting us the details. So the Enforcement Directorate, which has seized the properties of YouTuber Elvish Yadav and single Fazilpuria. This is a case, in money laundering case, that has been linked as far as when it comes to their assets in Uttar Pradesh and Haryana that has now been attached under the provisions of the PMLA. Those are the developments that we are tracking for our viewers. Here we head into a short break. The morning news here continues on the other side of a very short break.